Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to create a Trello Timeline View, a complete 2025 guide to help you manage your projects more effectively. First, go to your Trello workspace and open the board you want to organize with the Timeline View. Think of this as choosing the canvas for your project, where you can clearly visualize tasks and deadlines. At the top of your board, click the drop-down menu to explore different board views. Look for the timeline option and check the box to enable it. I'm on my free plan, so this feature is locked and Trello will ask you to upgrade to use it. Once enabled on a paid plan, click Timeline at the top of your board and you'll see all your tasks laid out in a neat chronological order. This view helps you plan, adjust, and execute projects efficiently, whether you're working solo or coordinating a team, and that's it. Your Trello board now has a timeline view that brings clarity and structure to your workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy Trello guides. Happy organizing!